In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok name. So first things first, open up TikTok, go to your profile in the lower right-hand corner. Once under your profile, you want to go to Edit Profile there towards the middle top there. And once under Edit Profile, you'll see where it says About You, and then it says your name and username. Now, if we tap into Name right there, you can see that we can go ahead and change our name. So go ahead and make it whatever you want to change it to, and you can do this once every 7 days. So go ahead and tap Save, and that's going to go ahead and update the name of your account, as you can see. Now, the username, the one below that, if we tap this here, usernames can only be changed once every 30 days. Now, a username, as you can see, has to have availability. So if I go here and I type in this name and it's not available, it's going to say this username is not available. So you'll have to find something that is in order for you to change that. And the username is going to be when you're sending out your profile, like tiktok.com/whatever your username is. And then if we go to one of our videos, you'll see that our name here is going to be actually what we just changed it to. So that's everything you need to know about changing your name as well as username. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.